Hello, friends. Welcome to Quest for Knowledge. My name is Nahma, and today we are going to discuss about the latest in news which has been released by the Department of Pre-University Education of Karnataka. And according to the latest syllabus, they have reduced 30% of your syllabus, and this syllabus is only for this academic year of 2020 to 2021. So let's discuss how many of this subject chapters have been added and how many chapters have been deleted from the portion of from this year. Okay, so in English you will be having first chapter, second and fourth chapter, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 11th and 12th. So third, fifth, 10th and 13th chapter is being deleted. Okay, and in economics, statistics, first of all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8 chapters is being added, and 6, 7 and 9 chapter is being deleted from the portion and deleted. Okay, apart from that, in Indian economy, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh, eighth chapter is being added, and first, second and ninth and 10th chapter is being reduced, I mean deleted from the portion. And here now, business studies, we have almost all the part 1, and only sixth chapter from the part 1 is being reduced, and 8th and 9th chapter from the part 2nd is being reduced. And here we have second part, 7th, 10th and 11th chapter. So overall this is the syllabus of business studies. So now let's discuss about accounts. So we have all the chapters excluding fifth chapter, and apart from that, in part 2, seventh, eighth chapter is being excluded, and 12th and 13th chapter is being excluded. So here is all the deleted from the syllabus, these all chapters. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 chapters from part 1, and 9, 10, 11 chapter, only 3 chapter from part 2. This is history. Okay, so we have from first chapter we have full, second chapter we have full, third chapter also we have full, and fourth chapter you can see only 4.1 and 4.2, and fifth chapter only 5.1 and 5.2. It has been deleted sixth chapter, seventh chapter is there in added. Okay, and eighth chapter is also full, and ninth chapter is deleted, and in 10th chapter we have 10.1, 10.3 and 10.4. 10.2 is being deleted, and 12th chapter is being deleted, and only the 13 map work is there for the syllabus, in the syllabus. Okay, and in computer we have almost all the subjects. The last 5 subject is being deleted. In Urdu, similarly, we have all the subject from the pros, and we do not have 8th, 9th and 11th chapter. It is being deleted. And you can see in the poetry section we do have all the subject chapters, and 8th, 6th, 7th and 11th chapter is being deleted. And in Ghazli we have 1, 2, 3, and directly we are jumping to 7, 8 and 11th. It means we do not have 4th, 5th, 6th and 9th and 10th Ghazal. And in Rubaiyat we have 1 and first and second, and the third is being deleted from the syllabus. And in Hindi, see, the initial 7 chapters is being added, and the last 3 chapter is being deleted, I mean reduced. Okay, and similarly we have this first, second and third thing, and fourth and fifth is being deleted, and again we have 1, 2, 3, 4 chapters here, and the rest of the 5, 6, 7, 8 chapter is being deleted. And here we have 1, 2, 3 supplementary is there in the portion, and the rest 4, 5, 6 is being deleted. So this is Hindi. So I just wanted to say that this syllabus is only for the current academic year of 2020 to 2021. Okay, so your syllabus is now, you have got your syllabus, and we wish you all the best for your examinations.